I like to fold t-shirts so that when they go into the drawer, they stand up on end. So when I'm looking at them all, I can see each and every t-shirt in the drawer and I can figure out which one is which. I'm going to show you how to fold t-shirts like that. It's super easy. Let's get going. First step, you lay your t-shirt out face down on a flat surface. I'm going to use this table here. I'm going to smooth it out so I'm sure I have a perfectly flat t-shirt to start with. Then I'm going to take the left side of the t-shirt, I'm going to fold it in. The fold line ends up being about 1 inch to the left of the collar of the t-shirt. Then I'm going to take the sleeve, I'm going to fold it back towards the fold line I just made. I'm going to be careful to keep the sleeve inside that fold line. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And again, that fold line ends up being about 1 inch to the right of the collar. And then I do the same thing with this sleeve that I did with the other. I fold it back towards the fold line, making sure to keep the edge of the sleeve just inside. This is a long t-shirt, so I'm going to fold it in half from the bottom to the top. If I had a shorter t-shirt, I could skip that step, but by doing this, I'm going to end up with a folded t-shirt that's about 5 inches tall. Now that it's folded in half, I take it, I fold 1/3 up, I take the other third, I fold it over, and I'm done. That thing stands up perfect. And tomorrow, when you go to pick out a t-shirt, you won't have to dig through 5 or 6 to pull out the one you want. Just scan along and take her out. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, please feel free to like or subscribe. Liking and subscribing can really help a channel. And if you could do that for this channel, I'd really appreciate it. And as always, take care, stay safe, have fun with your DIY projects. I'll see you next Saturday.